Got it here, Puma German made limited edition spear. This one's only made 50 of them. That's it. Look at that case. So highly collectible. Obviously the better condition it is, the better it's going to retain the value. So there you go. Looks like it comes with one of this fiber towel. So this spear reminds me of a flag, a spear, but what this is meant for is, I think, a hunting bow. Whenever you climb on a tree, like a deer stand, and put feet under the tree, and the boar is like eating it, and then you just throw it down. I saw some people hunting for it. Obviously, I'm not going to be using this spear. It's more like for collector value. Some German made spear. German products are pretty high quality stuff, that's for sure. Looks like it says something in German over here, but there is English. Definitely needs a little bit of cleaning. What a shame. But yeah, this is number 40 out of 50. That's it. Germany high carbon steel. Designed by R. Esterman. Not really sure the name of it, but this is a beautiful spear over here for sure. Looks like it will go into any stick. Just put it into here. It's pretty deep, as you can see, and put a nail through, and another like a little notch over here. Oh wow, check this one out. Some kind of logo out here. Yeah, definitely need a little bit of a cleaning. So again, very beautiful steel. This is what I'm into nowadays, to collect very unique pieces for survival and hunting, and just really cool pieces, especially like that limited edition. This probably will appreciate in value. You see 40 out of 50 matching up with the blade. Beautiful. So this is a little bit newer one, and this one didn't come in here. Whenever I bought a bunch of stuff, they give me a patch of that stuff, so just put it in here because it has a nice case. Got it here, high duration sleeve, I guess for running. So check this out, let's test it out. Okay, which way is it gonna go? Boom. Oh wow, interesting. So I guess that way you don't have to bring your water bottle. Also you can put car keys in here, or maybe wallet, a little bit of cash. Not so much wallet actually, just cash and car keys and little things. And then it's adjust over here on different arm. So let's fill it up with water, figure it out. How does this work? Okay, this whole pouch comes out. That's nice, look how big it is. And then we just open it. It has a double lock over here. So for example, you're gonna, oops. So yeah, just like a water bag. They got 12 ounces of water. Okay, let's close it, see if it actually will be easy to drink from there. Not this way. What I'm worried about, it will be a little bit bulgy whenever you run. That's a 12 ounces of water you're gonna be like carrying it around and move it around on your hand. Maybe put it on both hands, so that way it's counterbalances both your hands whenever you run. One hand will be a little bit heavier, I guess. It's kind of funny. But yeah, nevertheless, there you go. You can buy one of this water pouch for your hand. It actually doesn't feel that much weight, but it does feel like a little bit hefty. So let's try to drink from it. Okay, there goes nothing. Let's say you're running and then you need to, oh, all you have to do is just squeeze on it. That's it. Look at that. You can even like wash off your face because it's like pressurized. It's actually squeezing the water. Again, all you have to do is just bite on it and the water will pour. That's quite nice. So take a little sip, keep running. This is beautiful. Yeah, so really nice water bottle, and at the same time you can stick like a car keys in here too. Beautiful, in case you don't have any other pockets. I love this gadget. Got it here, another pretty unique torch lighter. What's so unique about this one? It has 4 jets. So hopefully it will be actually pretty powerful. So just regular butane. So I'm gonna fill it to the top just to measure the power of this thing when it's full. Or at least halfway. I think this is good. Okay, looks like this is plus, minus. So we're gonna put it just like on a quarter of the power. So just to see how well it works. There you go, that's a quarter power. Let's turn off the lights. So as you can see, a little bit of a flame, but it's beautiful. Okay, let's put it half. Okay, that's much better. So this is half power. I love that quadruple jet. Okay, doesn't shut off instantly. This is almost full power and the full power. So the flame does not go up, just more powerful, I guess, hotter flame, but it doesn't extend too much. And also minus about this lighter, when we let go of the power, it doesn't shut off instantly. So that's just a quality issue. You see, I let go, it doesn't shut off instantly. I don't like that. But still, pretty nice. As you can see, quadruple flame. Yeah, definitely doesn't shut off instantly. If you do only half, it doesn't shut off instantly anyways, but a lot faster. But yeah, I guess that's what they were okay with and sold it to everybody. But yeah, I have seen lighters that is more powerful than this one. With one jet, shuts off instantly. But a lot of these jets, lighters have issues like that. Oh well. Okay, full power, there goes nothing. Wow, instantly. That is a really powerful lighter for sure. One more time, full power. Look at that. A hole instantly. One more time so you guys can see. Crazy. But yeah, it's nice for cooking or whatever else you need. But you gotta wait quite a bit before you can set it down, so that way it doesn't drop, just in case. But other than that, it's pretty awesome. And of course, if you make it less power, it shuts off instantly. Yeah, very nice, very powerful. Do like it that it stands like that. Also, I got quite a few more gold bucks. I think this is New Hampshire and Nevada. So let's look at them. What is it? Gold bucks and everything. Gold bucks is spendable gold. Check this out. There's a one gold buck, 1/1000th 3 ounce 24 karat gold. So it is not plated, it's sealed inside of it. And it's pretty much spendable gold. If you had 1 ounce of gold, how do you buy a piece of bread or pizza? Well, with this, like foil currency, like this one has 1/200 3 ounces 24 karat gold, and it has really unique colors to it. This one blue and really unique artwork. So you can actually spend it. As you can see, it's 5. So this one is red, this one is 100 3 ounces gold. This is beautiful, check this out. And it says AU 2021, and this is a 10. This is so beautiful. I really like gold bucks. It's only have color on one side. Yeah, you can see the strike and everything. There's another one right here. This one's 25 1/40th, and the bigger they get, the heavier they get. 3 ounces of 24 karat gold. Beautiful design, and 2021. So it looks like they come out with new ones every year. That is cool. Okay, next one. I bought, as you can see, a whole set, and this is 1/20th 3 ounces 24 karat gold for circulation in Nevada. So as you can see, people actually do spend them and buy things, like they spend dollars. They actually spend this gold bucks, spendable gold, in Nevada. So that is pretty cool. This thing is pretty heavy. That's awesome. I really think they're very beautiful. I do love all the paper currency. So I bought this ones for my collection. And I think this one is New Hampshire, and this one is 2020. For circulation in New Hampshire, as you can see. But again, this is still gold. Somebody will buy it, right? It is, all you have to do is melt it down and extract gold from it. And as you can see, it has different artwork on this one. It's beautiful. There's the other side. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one is blue. 1/200, 3 ounces, 24 karat gold, 2020, 5 gold bucks. So for circulation in New Hampshire. Beautiful artwork as well. Oh wow, check this out. This one has a cannon. This is a 10 gold bucks, New Hampshire. For circulation in New Hampshire, 1/100, 3 ounces, 24 karat gold. And again, this is not like a gold plated where you touch it and you can scrape it off. It's actually sealed inside of it, a gold, and stamped. So this is highly protected gold. So even if you touch it and use it every day, it's not going above gold. Okay, next one is looks like 25. I like the denomination of 25. It's like a quarter, except you got 25 gold bucks. So 1/40th, 3 ounces, 24 karat gold, 25. That's a beautiful artwork as well. And the last one over here, I do love these bigger ones. 1/20th, 3 ounces, 24 karat golds, and they do sell 1/20th actual coins in gold. So it's pretty much same thing except in foil form. So that's amazing. 2021 as well, all of these ones. No, some of them 2020. That is cool. Some of them actually 2020, some of them 2021. That's pretty awesome though. That's beautiful artwork as well. Really big, really thick too, because it's 1/20th of an ounce gold. So 3 ounce. They had to make a little bit bigger and thicker to fit all that gold in here. I love that. The bigger they are, the more I like them. So yeah, I have 2 sets, and I think I have one more coming. The whole set, it will be graded, and it's also by Utah. So that's awesome. Got it here, another Puma knife set, and this one is called Evolution. So this is quite nice, German-made knives. Building up their collection over here. Check this out. A little brochure. This is number 16 out of how many? So I guess this is a limited edition. That's cool. Let's just look at it. Wow, check this out. So I guess it says Stone Age, Bronze, and Essential. Anyways, let's open them up, see what they're all about. There you go. This is almost like throwing knives. And yeah, obviously could use them. Quite nice and thick. Wow, I can't believe it. There's marking all about this blade, and there is a logo. Definitely needed a little bit of cleaning, so that's kind of cool. Then they have this kind of knife, again more like throwing knife. Definitely need a little bit of cleaning. Look at all these fingerprints. That's so ugly. But yeah, also really thick blade. Check this out. Almost like a spear you can make out of it. But yeah, it reminds me of a throwing knife. It's beautiful. And right here another. What does it say? I need to look up this word, figure it out what it means. So we got stone, bronze, and what does this say? Right here, you see it's in German. Okay, this one is beautiful as well. And again, there's so much like smudges out here. And this one is more so regular knife, but again, they all seems to be more so throwing knives. But yeah, beautiful. It says who it's designed by and everything. And they all matching up. Number 16. Beautiful knives, really thick knives, high quality, pretty sharp. Okay, the last one is iron. Okay, I didn't want to come up with that, but you got stone, bronze, and iron. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So yeah, another very awesome knife by Puma.